Today I'm going to teach you how to make this super easy Halloween bow in less than 5 minutes. Welcome to Stillwater's Wreath Designs. Come on in. For this project, you'll need two 2.5-inch wired Halloween ribbons and two 1.5-inch wired Halloween ribbons, a good pair of scissors, and a zip tie. Measure out each of the 2.5-inch wired ribbons at 20 inches and cut one strip of each, and then you'll measure out each of the 1.5-inch wired ribbons at 18 inches. So you'll have one piece of each of the ribbon types. Now it's time to dovetail the ends. Make sure you have your zip tie handy, and starting with the 2.5-inch ribbons, fold each one in half, pinch and pleat in the middle, and start layering your ribbons on top of one another in an X fashion so that your loops and tails are going in the opposite direction. Then you'll finish up with the 1.5-inch ribbon. Grab your zip tie and secure around the middle. Now it's time to fluff out our bow. I prefer to start at the bottom, separating my tails and fluffing out my loops, working my way towards the top of my bow. That's all there is to it, friends. Happy crafting!